Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover a very important topic in Python, tuples in Python. If you are a beginner or want to strengthen your basics, then this video is perfect for you. 1. What is a tuple? A tuple is a data type in Python that is used to store multiple values in a single variable. In simple words, a tuple is a container that holds different items. Example: A Yankrakaksen 1, 2, 3, print A, output 1, 2, 3, 2. Most important property of tuple A tuple is immutable. This means you cannot change the values inside a tuple. Example: A akron 1, 2, 3, A0, akron 10, akron error. This will give an error because tuples cannot be modified. 3. How to create a tuple. We create a tuple using parentheses. Example: T, 10, 20, 30. You can also store different data types. T, 1, hello, 3.5, 4, single element tuple. This is a bit tricky. If you want to create a tuple with only one element, you must add a comma. T, 5, print type T. Without a comma, T, 5. This will be an integer, not a tuple. 5. Tuple indexing. Indexing in tuples works just like lists. Teacher 10, 20, 30, print T, yarwer 10, print T, year 20. Negative indexing, print T, yerker 30. 6. Tuple slicing T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, print T, 1. Output, year 2, 3, 4, 7. Tuple functions. Some useful built-in functions. T, either 1, 2, 3, 2, print len T. Year length, print max T. Year max value, print min T. Year min value, print T count 2. Year count, print T. Index 3. Index 8. Tuple versus list. Feature list. Tuple changeable yes/no syntax. Speed slower. Faster tuples are faster because they cannot be changed. 9. When to use tuples? When data should not change. When you need better performance. When storing fixed data. Example: days, mon, 2, wed, 10. Tuple unpacking. You can assign tuple values to variables easily. T, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, T print A, print B, print C. 11. Nested tuples. A tuple can contain another tuple. T jacked 1, 2, 3, 4, print TT. Output, 2, 3 main points. A tuple is a data type. It is immutable, cannot be changed. Uses parentheses. Faster and secure supports indexing and slicing practice task. Try this. TRC 5, 10, 15, 20. Print eat, print len T. Print max T. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.